in coordination, then only we will kick a ball. So, another example. Hello? Hello?
If the salivary glands do not function in our mouth,
Okay, Sparrow, please tell me your question.
what would happen? What would happen if salivary glands do not function in our mouth?
Okay, question. Your question is that what would happen if the salivary glands do not present in our mouth? Is question. So, if the salivary glands do not present in our mouth, so we can't taste the food material and the saliva will be not secreted in our mouth and our mouth will be very pain. Did you clear your question out? Did you clear your answer? Okay. So, crossing the road. So, here what are the organs involved? Yes, eyes, legs and ears should coordinate with each other. Otherwise, you may hit a person and it leads to a very serious. So, my dear friends, it's very important to understand this. If we want to any work, wherever we go, any work, we should coordinate. So, coordination is very important. So, then only we will do other works. So, what is coordination? So, coordination is the synchronization between the different organs of the body so that they can work together in harmony to perform the vital activities of life. So, what is coordination? Yes, coordination is the synchronization between the different organs of the body so that they can work together to harmony in perform the vital activities of life. Hello? Hello, Sparrow.
Hello, Sparrow.
Hello, Sparrow.
Hi, Sparrow. I'm Deepthi Sparrow from Jam. Hi, Sparrow.
Hi, Sparrow.
I'm 10th class.
What's your question? Please
What
ask.
is mastication?
What? Sparrow, please.
What is mastication?
Mastigation. So, dear Sparrow, today I am going to teach a lesson about that coordination. So, here now from starting onwards, I didn't teach the mastigation. So, it is not related to our topic. Did you clear that? So, we will learn about the digestive process. So, my dear friends, we shall study the digestive process from feeling hungry to utilization of the food. So, in today's lesson, we are going to learn right from feeling hungry to utilization of the food. So, how do we know that we are feeling hungry? What stimulates your feeling hungry? Yes. What makes your feeling hungry? Yes, it's the smell of the food, taste of the food, sight of the food, need of food, thought of food. So, but what stimulates hunger? What would be the result of the stimulation hunger? What would you know? So, from this a major cause for physiology of the blood lies in the major cause for feeling hungry lies in the physiology of the blood circulation. Levels of different substances are generated mainly in the blood circulation. The one of the major substances is glucose. So, when the levels of the glucose fall in the stomach, we get hunger pangs in the stomach. Hello, Sparrow.
Hello, Sparrow.
Hello.
I'm Sanjay from Madikonda.
Okay, please ask your question.
These are not.
Okay.
If smell increase, our appetite also increase or not?
Yeah, exactly right question, my dear Sparrow. If the smell increase, automatically our appetite will also increase. So, my dear friends, so suppose if just imagine that, suppose here for example the sugar is there. Suppose you imagine that a tasty dish is there in front of you. So, it increases, if suppose the smell increases, your appetite will be also definitely increases. Really, it's a wonderful question. So, and secretion of this hormone ghrelin starts in the stomach when it goes empty. So ghrelin is secreted. Hello Swero.
Hello.
Hello.
What will happen if coordination process is not involved?
So yeah, it's a right question, my dear friend. So just now I told one example. So without coordination we can't do any work. So for example, just now I told one example, crossing a road. If suppose I want to cross a road, so and my eyes and ears and legs should coordinate with each other. Otherwise I can't. Otherwise I can hit a person and it leads to a very serious problem. So there must be should coordinate with each other. Okay, my dear friends, did you clear your doubt? So secretion of the hormone ghrelin starts in the stomach when it goes empty, and ghrelin is secreted from certain cells in the walls of the stomach. So hunger pang starts to occur in the stomach due to hunger generating signals that reach the brain from the stomach due to the secretion of this hormone ghrelin. So hunger pangs continue up to 30 to 45 minutes. So hunger pangs continue up to 30 to 45 minutes. So this hunger stimulates. So when we are feeling hungry, so this hunger stimulates the release of the ghrelin from the stomach, and ghrelin travels in the blood to the hypothalamus where it acts and it stimulates appetite, and then only eating causes blood levels of ghrelin to decrease. So suppose if the eating level of the blood level of the ghrelin to decrease, so another hormone is secreted. What is that hormone? Yes, it is leptin. So when we feel our stomach is full and there is no need of food at all, so another hormone, that is leptin, is secreted from our body. So hunger. So these are from what are hunger? Hunger. So the uncomfortable feeling caused by a need for food. So these are hunger. Hunger pangs, the discomfort felt in the abdominal region associate with the contractions of the empty stomach. So hunger hormones. So what are hunger hormones? The hunger hormones are two, ghrelin and leptin. So ghrelin, a hormone secreted by the stomach that acts as an appetite stimulator. So leptin. Hello? Hello Swero?
Hello Swaro, my name is Y. Vanilla Swaro from Adilabad district.
Okay, please ask your doubt.
Okay, my question is, how many types of taste buds?
So what is that? How many types of taste buds are there? Yeah, it is very exactly question. Nearly I think that about 10,000 taste buds are there. So hunger hormones. So hunger hormones, they are ghrelin and leptin. So ghrelin, a hormone secreted by the stomach that acts as an appetite stimulator. So leptin, a hormone secreted by your fat cells that acts as an appetite suppressant. So this is all of you look at this picture, and this is the tongue, and so and the tongue there are and circumambulative papillae and fungiform papillae and palatal tonsil and lingual tonsil and follate papillae and filiform papillae. So these are the papillae. And see, all of you look at this picture, and this is papillae. See, all of you observe carefully about this picture, papillae. So the taste sensitive cell, the taste sensitive area. So these are the taste sensitive areas. These are present on the tongue. So bitter. Hello? Hello? Hello Swero?
My name is Jiral Teja Swaro from Kundapur School.
Okay, Swero, please ask your doubt.
Okay, Swaro, what makes our body system coordinate one system to another system?
So once again, please repeat your question.
Okay, Swaro. What makes our body system to coordinate with each other?
What makes our body system to coordinate with each other? Okay, question. So, to coordinate with each other, so and suppose for example, suppose the excretion and digestion and circulatory system, when these processes are coordinated only, then only we will do one work, otherwise we can't do any other work. So, similarly, as we take food into our mouth, the taste buds send signals to the brain, picking up the slight differences in smell. So, the food taste states are identified in our brain. The chemoreceptors in nose, my dear friends, the chemoreceptors in nose are otherwise called olfactory receptors, which trigger signals. It is in the form of nerve impulses. In nerve impulses to the brain where the smell is defected. So, similarly, as we take food into our mouth, hello,
Hello.
hello Swero.
Hi, Swero.
Hi.
Can you please tell the relationship between taste and smell?
Yeah, the relation between the taste and
Hello, can you please tell the relationship between taste and smell?
okay. So, the relation between the taste and the tongue. So, for example, just now sugar. So, when the relation between the taste and the tongue is, so here the sugar is there. So, when I pour sugar into my mouth, then only we can taste the taste, otherwise we can't eat. So, when we eat without our knowledge, we use our sight, nose and tongue for selecting food for ingestion. So, Russian scientist Pavlov has conducted experiment even though he found that the thought of the food will water your mouth. So, my dear friends, so today we are learned about that coordination in life process. So, once again I want to tell, so what is coordination? So, coordination is the synchronization between the different organs of the body so that they can work together in harmony to perform the vital activity. So, coordination is very important in our life. Without coordination, we can't do any work. So, every process is dependent on other to keep the body in good condition. So, we know that why we call it as our human body is called as a wonderful machine. Yes, human body is called as a wonderful machine because number of process takes place within the body. So, my dear friends, today, hello?
Hello, Swero.
Hello?
Swero, what is palate?
Hello, please ask your question.
Can you explain?
Hello?
Jeffrey at school. Can you explain what is palate?
Yeah, the palate, it is present in the tongue. Hello? So, so today we learned about the coordination in life process. Okay, today we learned about that coordination in life process. So, my dear friends, we should keep in your mind that coordination is very important in our life. So, first of all, I want to thank to our secretary sir for giving this wonderful opportunity, as well as my principal madam, and who prepared like me as our, especially our biology teacher, who she encourages very lot for to in front of this super student program. So, thank you for each and everyone for giving this wonderful opportunity.